I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting two-factor authentication now. Open Snapchat and sign in. Once signed in, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, and find two-factor authentication. You need immediate access to the phone number listed or an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Make sure your app is updated so options display correctly. If you don't see the option, restart the app and verify your phone number in settings. This ensures Snapchat can send codes or pair with. Now pick the authentication method. If you choose SMS, tap text message and Snapchat will send a 6-digit code. Enter it immediately to link your number. If you prefer stronger security, select Authenticator app, then scan the displayed QR code from your authenticator or copy the setup key. Add the account on the Authenticator app and enter the rotating 6-digit code shown. Once you input the correct code, Snapchat confirms 2FA is enabled and shows backup options. Finish by saving backup codes or setting a recovery method. Write them down or store them securely. Then test the setup by signing out and signing back in. You should be prompted for a 2FA code. If you used an Authenticator app, make sure device time is synced. Time drift causes invalid codes. If SMS codes don't arrive, toggle airplane mode or request a new code. If problems persist, update the app and contact Snapchat support with your account info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.